Oh.
It's so bad tonight. It's so bad.
Damn it! Wake up! Wake up!
What?
You need a CPAP machine.
I know.
You're going to die,
It's
sir.
really bad.
Die in your sleep.
Mm-hmm. Try to sleep, dude. Yeah, here we go again.